It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be informed on all my new videos. Now let's get back into the video. This year has been absolutely amazing, and I wanted to give you guys another mini vlog of the stuff that I ended up getting as gifts. And yeah, let's pretty much just dive into it. So the first thing I'm gonna start with, because it's still lingering in my hair, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 days later, is none other than the Fenty perfume. It smells so delicious. I know there's vanilla in here somewhere. I haven't looked at the ingredients, but this is definitely slowly and surely becoming one of my favorite perfumes in my entire collection, which says a lot. In my entire perfume collection, gotta give the girl credit. This smells really good, and it lasts a long time, as you can tell, because it lasts a long time on my hair. You know it lasts a long time on the body if it lasts a good while on the hair. I think that's kind of different, but you get the idea. Next, we're going to go into the shoes that I ended up getting. Now, keep in mind, it is going to get cooler. It's going to get colder. It's probably going to snow this year. Hopefully, it snows a lot more than it snowed last year, because it would make sense with these shoes, you know? But then again, you know, I like to stay prepared, okay? I like my snow boots to be, you know, top tier, just in case. You never know when, you know, you meet somebody and they want to take you to Aspen, Colorado, or to the mountains, you know, the icy glaciers, and you got to be prepared. You don't want your feet to freeze, right? That's exactly what I did. I stayed prepared. So let me show you the shoes I got. Let me see if I can prop this up, because remember, my tripod, it's broken. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay informed on when I post my next video. I don't know if I said that, but I'm gonna keep on saying it. Okay guys, so here are the shoes. Now my address is on the box, so let's try to see. Okay, it is from none other than Sex. Okay, and no, you guys didn't see that. They are the moon boots. Now, I do have this color in black, but why not get it in white? Why not get it in white? So I got it in white. Ooh, it smells interesting. Smells interesting. These are the shoes that I ended up getting. Hope you can see them. Can you see them? Yeah, now you can see them. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. My camera did good on that focus. Yep, they're just the white version. The white version with the fur. Okay, the white version with the fur. Now the fur looks a little interesting when you first take it out of the box, but I'm guessing like you wear it and like it'll just, you know, it'll come alive, you know, get a little bit more, you know, I don't know, puffier. It looks a teensy bit, the fur definitely looks it definitely looks a little bit different from the photo, if you know what I mean. But you know, maybe I gotta wear it out a couple times or whatever, and see how it goes. This is supposed to be waterproof. Hopefully it is. I'm pretty sure it's probably waterproof, right? They look good. I haven't worn my black ones yet. I haven't, but I at first wanted the white ones. Didn't end up getting them, unfortunately, and the black ones were a gift as well. So yes, guys, this is the shoe. It looks really, really big, but I think it just looks big like that because they're kind of for like real snow, like really, really like snow, like snowy mountains type vibes. Like this is what this shoe is for. This shoe is for like snow, like snowy hills and snowy, like a lot of snow basically. And I come from New England, so there's a lot of snow. I haven't been getting a lot of snow, which is kind of weird, but there's a lot of snow. So yeah, that's the shoe, guys. And the next item I ended up getting was some clothes. Interesting enough, this is gonna be interesting. It is the end of the summer, right? But I ended up getting some dresses and I got a shirt. And I hope the shirt fits because I haven't tried it on yet. I actually haven't tried any of this stuff on, and they still have the tags on them. So let's see about these dresses. I'm gonna show you guys. So these dresses are from Zara. The shirt is from Forever 21. Now I got a gift card from Saks in order to get these shoes. I still have a remainder balance on the gift card, so I'm trying to figure out what else I'll get. And Saks is having another sale, so I definitely might look into that. So anyways, here's the dresses. The dresses are from none other than Zara. I've been a little obsessed with Zara lately. This is one of the dresses from Zara. And I'll probably leave like a photo of the lady wearing it somewhere over here. It looks really pretty. It is different. It's a lot of ruffles. There's a lot going on, and there's a little flare at the bottom. But it is really, really, really pretty on. I really like it. And the best thing I like about this is that I don't have to wear a bra. Like, I don't have to wear a bra, and it holds my cleavage up very well. So yes, and this is in a size small. And for the details on the shoes, you guys are gonna have to check the bio. Ugh. And this dress, purple, beautiful, pleated long dress. Now they did have this in another color. I forgot what color it was. It was the first dress that they came out with. It was the first one. It was a different color. I think it was like green. It was green. It was green. They have this dress in a green, and it sold out so fast I was not able to get it. I got this in an extra small, and I definitely got it when they had it in purple. I was like, what? This is the same exact dress as the green one. It's just purple. You know I was gonna get it. Extra small. It fits very well, and it looks fire on me. I will show you a photo of how it looks on the model. And of course it's gonna look a little bit different on me because I got a lot of cleavage. So yes, it is very beautiful, and it definitely shows. It's not like tight, but it's fitted, so it shows off the bootay. It looks really good. Really, 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 really good. Yep, and it's super long. Now I'm starting to like gravitate towards like shorter dresses, and not like shorter like not skimpy short, but like just shorter dresses, because oh yeah, almost forgot the shirt. Now I do need to try on this shirt, but it's pretty much a one sleeve shirt, all black, and I've been very obsessed with black, and I don't know why, but I have been. And yeah, I hope it fits. I actually should try it on for you guys real quick before I close this vlog out. I mean, not vlog, but mini shopping haul. Okay guys, and I'm back. This is how the one sleeve top looks. It is very, very, very stretchy. A lot more stretchy than I'd like it to be, but yeah, I mean, this can pretty much fit a medium to large. Like this, look, do you see that? So I don't know, I'm gonna wash it again and see like if it shrinks or something like that. I like it. It is form fitted or whatever. I just don't know how it's gonna do with a strapless bra, if it's gonna like stay in one place. As of right now it is, but I am wearing a strapped bra, not strapless bra, so it's a different story. Hopefully it will hold in place and it'll look fine. But I like it. It's cute. It's cute. I don't have a shirt like this. Long sleeve. I don't, so I ended up getting one, and this is definitely perfect for the winter. One of the things clothing wise that I got for the winter that is perfect. The other two dresses definitely like spring summer vibes. But yeah, anyways guys, I'm gonna close out this vlog here. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, subscribing, and showing your support and love, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.